So I just randomly decided I would like to vlog today. So hey you guys, what's up? It's Arya. Welcome back to my channel. It's currently 8:40 a.m. We are out cycling. I've been cycling for like a few days now because I decided it is better to move my body before my doctor tells me that it's not functional anymore. I'm recording a vlog today because today is officially the last day of our first year. That is like no official lectures from tomorrow onwards. हमारा होते ही हम बकचोदी करने वाले हैं. So stay tuned. It's gonna be very fun. And yeah, cycling karo guys, move your body. Hi, yes, hello. I am back home. I've been home for like 3 hours now. 2 hours now. I need to talk about something. जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीड में बाइक्स एंड कार्स आते हैं. तो फिर I was coming इधर से. I pressed on my brakes. Okay, I was waiting because there were so many cars. I was waiting for a window. I saw a window. I was in the middle of the goddamn road when I saw a man on a scooty coming right at me. He wasn't even pressing on his brakes. He wasn't even stopping. He wasn't even slowing down. I was like, what the fuck? मैं क्या करूँ? Because I'm in the middle of the road. I'm on my bike and I have slowed down because I was like processing everything. I was like, what the fuck do I do? I stopped pedaling. I was like in a very slow motion at that time, and that man, I'm here, the man was here. Okay, right where I'm pointing. That's when he decided to press on his brakes. Like pressed on his brakes, he turned his scooty and then he fell himself off his scooty. And then that scooty, when it fell, it collided with my bike and my bike fell. But I was like standing. I was staring at him. हाँ भाई, तुम आवर लो, उठो फिर बात करो मेरे से. If there was a breaker, the man would have pressed on his brakes, but he did not. And he started blaming me. He was like, कैसे चला रहे हो? Like, आपको देखना नहीं आता क्या? आप कहाँ देख रहे हो? दिन खराब कर दिया मेरा. फिर वो चला गया. फिर like a lot of people of course were watching. One of the bhaiyas asked me कि are you okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm fine. And he was like, yeah, I saw what happened. He was clearly in the wrong. I was like, of course. Arya can never be wrong. Just kidding. But yeah, slow chalao, gaadi slow chalao. Even if you're running late, drive slow, drive safe. Don't be that man because उसको इतनी बद्दुआ दिया मैंने, इतनी बद्दुआ दिया. अब सोचो मेरी काली जुबान है. He's gonna have the worst day ever. I still have an hour to go. We just got a message from our CR कि भाई sir is running late and it's gonna like our presentations are gonna be delayed. So like फिर भी we have to get there at time because you never know. So I'm gonna prep my face because bro, I have been breaking out so much for no reason. I have been drinking a lot more water. I have been moving my body. I have, you know, I was on a sugar cut for a week. फिर भी कुछ नहीं हुआ. I don't know if it's a what stress. Stress ही नहीं है मेरे को. क्या कौन सा stress? क्यों हो रहा है? I think it's the गर्मी. I blame गर्मी and I blame lupus. विक्रम बोलने की अवस्था में नहीं है गाइस. विक्रम का दिल टूट चुका है. बहुत दुख है. विक्रम का दिल टूट चुका है. But it's the last day of first year. Show some excitement bro.
हाँ, गाँव जाने मिलेगा, घर जाने मिलेगा.
गाँव जाने मिलेगा. बोला गाँव जाना भाई को इतनी धूप में 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस है मुंबई में.
अरे गाँव में तो कम है. झाड़ी है.
गाँव में झाड़ है बोल रहा है.
ग्रीनरी है. ग्रीनरी है.
We are vlogging. How does it feel to go to college on the last day of first year? मुझे नहीं जाना था, but then it's fine. Can we just not? We are like this all day every day. हम लोग कॉलेज के गेट पे पहुंचते हैं और मैं सबको पूछती हूँ जाना है क्या? कॉलेज जाना है. मैं जानती हूँ. We are only doing this for marks. How many marks? 10 marks. Marks. और हमको रील बनाना है. Motive बनाना है. Yeah, the only motive for today's reel. This is Riti's सॉक्स भी कैसा है? सॉक्स अच्छा है. सॉक्स को कुछ नहीं बोल देगा. वैसे तो आया ही है. I can freeze the screen and everything. Shut up, I will. Hi Swara. कशी आहेस? झालं का प्रेझेंटेशन? नाही झालं. का नाही झालं? ऋतिक अभी पढ़ती नहीं है. ऋतिक अभी पढ़ती नहीं है और फिर एग्जाम के लिए लेट हो जाती है एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम ये बेकरार
बाहर आके बॉम्ब मारेगा
हाय राशि हाउ डज इट फील लास्ट डे ऑफ फर्स्ट ईयर
बहुत जल्दी निकल गया
नहीं पहला रिएक्शन अच्छा था तेरा बहुत अच्छा मुंह बनाया तू और कुछ बोल रहा
वेरी क्विक और बस कुछ भी हो रहा था
कुछ भी हो रहा था हाँ वो तो पता है कुछ भी क्यों हो रहा था
कुछ भी हो रहा था ये कर दो वो कर दो और लास्ट का महीना तो कुछ ज़्यादा है
रिद्धि ने 2 महीना बाहर का खाना खाया है
ये देख समीक्षा
हाउ डज इट फील हाउ डज इट फील
मेरे ग्रुप पे मैंने मैसेज किया था 12
सीआर है गाइस ये सीआर है
मेरे को ऑलरेडी गाड़ी मिली 12 के पहले क्या हाउ डज इट फील
या
फर्स्ट ईयर
इट्स एंडिंग
तो फर्स्ट ईयर वाज टू मच हैपनिंग फॉर मी बहुत कुछ अनएक्सपेक्टेड चीजें हुई है बुरा नहीं हुआ है अच्छा कुछ नहीं है
बी हैपेंड टू यू
Yeah.
दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट कुड
हो गया
हैपन
ना हो गया इनका
ये देख।
मुंबई का टेम्परेचर 46 डिग्री हो गया है
50 गया भाई 50 गया है गाइस
40 में मर जाएंगे थे गर्मी में
How are we still alive? We don't know. Stay indoors, guys. Stay hydrated. Stay safe.
चीजें लाने
And watch.
नहीं बाहर
Okay,
निकल
yeah.
सकते
However, once you cross into high de-stress, you perform in scuba dives. That's where the memory blocks and panic.
Guys, we're going. We're heading to the stage for our presentation. Stage पे जाना है? Yeah. Hi Anvesha. Hi Arna.
Hi.
Hi Arushi.
Introduce कौन कर रहा है?
Arushi कर रही है.
मैं कर रहा हूँ।
Let's go team.
Comedy कर रहा
Last presentation of first year. Let's do this.
हूँ। Arushi would like to present. Arushi would like to continue.
Handing over to her.
मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करूँगा ना टेंशन
तू कर रहा है इंट्रोड्यूस?
यस मस्ती कर रहा हूँ।
नहीं Let's why white and not tell these two. ये हाँ धीरे भाई सर बोलेंगे ये पीपीटी छोड़ के कुछ और ही करते पीछे ओके बी राइट बैक
people or colleagues and then analyze the physical and psychological impacts on you when you are around uncooperative people. And what this would mean is, you overthink simple interactions, you recheck messages, emails, traumatic
Must understand toxic and uncooperative behavior. Recognizing the problematic behavior in academic settings will help us for
बाप रे बहुत ही ऊपर करना पड़ रहा है मेरे को फोन वी आर आउट ऑफ क्लोथ्स
manipulation, conflict, lack of empathy, and also the unwillingness to take
क्या प्रॉब्लम है इसको प्रॉब्लम ही है हमसे
unhealthy competition.
नो वंस आस्किंग यू
No.
That feeling actually has a name, and it is called as Sunday scaries. It is one of the first signs of a toxic environment. Now let's break this down completely. The first
अरे
one
नहीं
is
ये बोल रही थी ना स्किट
psychological
करना है
growth.
देश
When
पांडे वाला
someone is
स्किट करना है
constantly on edge, they start overthinking everything, every message, every interaction, everything. Over
Direct
time,
attack.
they gain self-confidence, question their own abilities, and
व्हाट देश पांडे कितनी लड़कियों से बात कर रही है
But handling it efficiently while keeping your calm is probably the most important step in real corporate or school environment or college environment. Why you would say? Because
Hi guys, we're almost done with all of the presentations. It's currently 4:45. We've been here for almost 3 hours now. And हमने खाना भी खाया. Shara got keema pao, so we had that. But we are still like so hungry. We're thinking कि भाई इतना late होने ही वाला है, so let's just have dinner and go back home. But let's see.
तो just 5 साल है भाई
20 साल का बंदा है 20 साल
Even yes let's go
क्या है
जो चाहिए वो तो मिलेगा करेक्ट गेस था
Oh, it's the villain from Venom, whatever.
It is actually deeper than that, and it has four main parts. So first is birth, and next is cognitive. These are thoughts like I wish I looked like. This is the feelings, the shame, the anxiety, or the self-consciousness. And next is behavior.
How is your last day of first year
The very
going?
foundation of a student needs to take rest,
Never mind.
think
Swara,
and grow.
how's your
It
last day of
triggers
first year
anxiety,
going so
depression,
far?
persistent shyness, constant
She's got no
feeling of
words.
emotional
अच्छा तुम लोग का हो गया है?
stress, it impossible to focus in class
So far,
or
so
being
good. I
present
will
with
miss
friends. It leads
being here with
to
everyone.
isolation. Students
You're not graduating.
ग्रेजुएट हो रही है भाई
missing out on experiences that should define their college years.
But it's been
And
so
it
boring
fuels
today. I
eating
swear to God.
disorders,
We've been here for 4
dangerous
hours.
life-altering
More than
conditions
4.
that affect both body and mind.
अगर आपका चांस नहीं आया
The
उसके बाद
ripple
मेरा
effect
please clap for
touches
me.
academics,
Will do.
physical health and mental well-being all at once.
तू किस लिए बैठा फिर
A
इधर?
student who needs their body
हाँ, तो
enough
clap
to
करना
be
पड़ेगा ना तेरे को?
learning relationships
अभी
or
नहीं,
life,
जब उसका होगा तब.
that is not an
कितना
exaggeration.
fake है रे
It is
साल
a
तक.
fact backed by research and by lived experiences.
We are out of college. We actually जैसे ही विक्रम का presentation हुआ, we left. We were waiting for his to finish because like we're gonna go have food together now. But उसके पहले we're gonna shoot this very funny and amazing sequence. We brought random ass stuff. We're doing that, bring random things to college wala thing, and we're gonna shoot that. Now we're heading for a quieter place to like throw water at each other. तो सगळं हळून अरे देवा I'm getting you cancelled. Everyone on the internet is going to cancel you.
Okay.
The audacity. Thank you. Bro, video में आया. Hi guys, we're going home. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe. कोई मेरा phone ना लेके जाए. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe. You know what to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.